Hi students, let us continue with chapter 20, substitution. So in our previous class, we had started with exercise 20A and we had completed 3 mains. Today let me continue with the 4th main, exercise 20A, 4th main. So what do we have in the 4th main here? We have, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 2, and D is equal to 1. Find the value of first one 3A plus 2B minus 6C plus 4D. Okay. So 3A, 3 into 3 plus 2 into B is 0 minus 6 into 2 plus 4 into D. D is what? 1. So I'll get 9 plus 0 minus 12 plus 4. So 9 plus 0, 9 minus 12 plus 4. 9 minus 12 is minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 you get. Coming to the second question, we have 6A minus 3B minus 4C minus 2D. 6A, 6 into 3 minus 3 into 0 minus 4 into 2 minus 2 into 1. So 18 minus 0 minus 8 minus 2. 18 minus 8 will give you 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Third main, AB minus BC plus CD minus DA. AB is A into 0 minus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 into 3. So what do you get? 0 minus 0 plus 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Coming to the fourth one, ABC minus BCD plus CDA. ABC means 3 into 0 into 2 minus 0 into 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. So you get 0 minus 0 plus 6, that is equal to 6. Fifth question we have A square plus 2B square minus 3C square. So A square means 3 square. I'll come to that. Plus 2 into B square is 0 square minus 3 into C square is 2 square. That is 3 into 3. 3 square is 3 is multiplied twice. This will be 0. Anything into 0 will be 0, right? Minus 3 into 2 is multiplied twice, right? So you get 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Sixth question we have A square plus B square minus C square plus D square. Similar way, A square is 3 square plus B square is 0 square minus C square is 2 square plus D square is 1 square. So you'll get 9 plus 3 into 3. 9 plus 0 minus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. You get the answer. Next one we have 2A square minus 3B square plus 4C square plus minus 5D square. So 2A square, 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 0 square plus 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 1 square. So 2 into 3 square is 3 3s are 9 minus 0 is 0 plus 4 into 2 2s are 4 minus 5 into 1. So what do you get? 18 minus 0 plus 16 minus 5. 18 plus 16 will give you 34 minus 5 is equal to 29. Hope it's clear, children. Now let me move to the fifth main. Find the value of 5x square minus 3x plus 2 when x is equal to 2. So 5x square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4. So 5 into 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 20 minus 6 plus 2. 20 minus 6 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Similarly, sixth question we have 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6. So, 3 into minus 1 cube minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. 3 into minus 1 cube, minus into minus into minus will give you minus 1 itself, okay. Minus into minus will give you plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 1. Plus 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Minus 6. So, what do you get? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 4 will give you, all those you need to add and put negative sign. So, 3 plus 4 is 7. All are negative, right? So, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So, you will get minus 18 as the answer. Coming to the seventh question, show that the value of x cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5 is equal to 0 when x is 1. Just check. 1 cube minus 8 into 1 square plus 12 into 1 minus 5. 1 minus 8 plus 12 minus 5. Minus 7 plus 12 minus 5. That is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So state true or false. That main you need to complete it yourself. You can go through the question and complete it yourself. Coming to the ninth main, you have if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 4. First one you have x by 2x square. 2 by 2 into 2 square. 2 by 2 into 4. That is equal to 2 by 8. 1 by 4 will be the answer. Okay. Second one you have xz by 4z. So 2 into 4 by 5 into 4. So 4 and 4 I can cancel here. So I'll get 2 by 5. Third question we have z to the power of x. 4 to the power of 2 equal to 4 square is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Fourth question we have y to the power of x. 5 to the power of 2. That is 5 into 5. 25. Fifth one x square y square z square by xz. Okay, that is x into y into y into z into s z by xz. Right, x into z. So one of the x and one of the z I can cancel. So what I get? X into, that is 2 into y into y. 5 into 5 into 4. 2 5s are 10. 10 5s are 50. 50 4s are 200. Okay. Sixth one, 5x to the power of 4 y square z square by 2x square. So how do you do it? Again, 5, this can be written as x square into x square. X to the power of 4 can be written as x square into x square. Y square into z square by 2x square. So one of the x square I can cancel here. So shall I do it? 5 into x square is what? 2 square into y square is 5 square into z square is 4 square by 2. 5 into 2 2s are 4 into 5 5s are 25 into 4 4s are 16 by 2. So you get 8. So 5 4s are 20. 20 into 8 will give you 160. 160 into 25, that is 30. 3 balance. 5 ones are 5. 8. Okay. Similarly 0 2. So what do you get the answer? 0 0 0 1 4. So your answer will be 4000. So similar way you can complete the next two sub questions in that main. Coming to the 10th main, if a is equal to 3, find the value of a square and 2 to the power of a. So what is a square? A square is 3 square, right? 3 into 3 equal to 9. 2 to the power of a means 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 3. What is 2 to the power of 3? 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 11th question we have, if m is equal to 2, find the difference between 4m square m cube minus 3m to the power of 4. So let's find out what is 4m cube. That is equal to 4 into 2 to the power of 3. 4 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8 4s are 32. Similarly, 3 into m to the power of 4 is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 4. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Difference between these two will be equal to what? They just ask the difference between them. So let's take the larger number step. 48 minus 32 will give you 16.